Frank and Greg.
Hey, let's jump or go up and down.
Hey, this thing fucking stopped. Had to restart it.
That's dumb to shoot a video anyways. Fucking just take a picture.
Tell him.
Hey, Matt. 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 Skinny ass out there. No, he wants it. Lower the outrigger. Huh? Lower the first. Lower the outrigger. Lower? Lower, yeah.
Lower.
Through the window. Yep.
Here's Matt.
That's all you got. Want a little piece of dog chain? Fucking guy. Hey, weren't you guys on Big Shrimpin'? When them two black dudes fucking crawled out of the end? Man, I wouldn't want to follow one of these sharks in the water. Oh, I still got the smash going to do, huh?
Nice. That's handsome. These two fools done yet? What the frig are they doing?
Watch dinner when you get home. Why you guys gotta hang on the end of the outrigger?
It's like the blind leading the blind out there. Oh shit. Whenever they're out of ear range, we just freaking rag on them all the time. Got them.
They know.
They do it to us. Very steady. I know. It's like my mother. She's dumb in every way, but she can hear like a bastard.
Want a 5/8?
Need something to drink? A couple eggs. Oh shit. Whap. One egg upside the head.
I fucking beat Jack.
Yeah, go get some eggs.
Yeah, that's what I said. I beat Jack on the wisdom savant. He was out in the doghouse. We had these fucking eggs, and he's like, go for it. I don't even care. Trying to be a smart ass. Fucking Budsy threw one, Bass Frank fucking like got one off the stay wire. I fucking took one, no shit, let it fly sidearm, and it goes, he had his hat on backwards, it goes, boom, right in the back of the fucking knee on the Boston hat, fucking about rolled him right off the doghouse. I was like, holy shit, are you okay? Good shot, kid, good shot.
Bet he'd wish he'd shut his mouth then.
You know how many fucking BJs that guy's giving right now? For
Oh, that's crazy. Oh, look, here we go.
Come on, Frank, jump a little bit.
Shake it, don't break it. Your Greg's mom not wants to make it. It's fucking 40 degrees water. What do you think? It's gonna fall out. Take it easy, you'll live longer.
This is in case there's an insurance claim. I got everything on video here.
There you go. You know what? That I'm owner and captain uninsured. I'm not insured. You can't sue yourself, so I'm not insured. Nice.
Oh boy. Oh, here he comes. Leo Curran.
Stay on the end when it comes up. See how cool
Hang out there while we give it a
Now what do I do?
Oh no! Big step.
Hands and knees, big guy.
That little short fat guy just made it across there.
Yeah, is he drunk? Yeah, he looks at him.
Position I never thought I'd see Frank on his knees. Here comes Tomato Face.
He want to come and see where the winches are, and you're gonna find out what he's doing now. He's lined up the wire.
Guys,
He's
wire
not fucked up.
Alright.
We got my gloves.
I guess that was good enough for a little while. Here you go, Frankie.
Why's your face so red? Hey, your old lady called.